Spars. So a wing shape. Let us take a rectangular wing shape only, the simplest one. And the cut section of the wing is called airfoil. And there are many sections in between the whole wing, which are called ribs, in the shape of aerofoil. So we are going to make that ribs as well as the spars which go all the way through the wing. So let's start making this wing, creating a new project there. From start we are going to part design, and here we have the workbench on which we are going to start our wing, construction of our wing, designing the wing. Though I am not choosing any particular airfoil number from the Naka series or any other, I am just taking a shape of that airfoil. Of Here, this is the workbench on which we are going to construct, or we are going to sketch our wing. I'm making it isometric view. Here we have all the three planes. Here I am telling about the series of the airfoils. There are number of airfoils available with exact dimension and everything. Those are called Naka airfoil, and with their number for 2 digit, 4 digit, 6 digit, there are kind number of airfoils. So for today, I am not taking any airfoil from the specific airfoil. I am just making the shape of it, random shape, that airfoil shape. Okay, so let's start. On this XY plane, I am going to sketch. So for the very first, we need to make an aerofoil section there. That is our first rib. This kind of airfoil is called symmetric airfoil. And if I have the cambered there, like here, till now we have the like this curved also, then it would be a cambered airfoil. Like, I will like to share you. If it is somewhat like this one, then it would be a cambered airfoil or non-symmetric airfoil. For now I am using only symmetric airfoil, just making it a close figure by coinciding these 2 points. This point and this circle should be tangent, and this point must lie on the circle. Similarly, this point should lie on the circle also, and this arc plus this arc should also be tangent. Like this. And now from the quick trim command, that is this one, I will trim the extra circles from here. Let me give the vertical distance of this point to be 0 and of this point also be 0. Like this, a foam airfoil is like this and it would be the same. So to reduce the weight we have some cut sections inside it. So I'm just making those cut sections, placing them like this and close. Just give a pat to it, not that much, leaving about 3 mm and enter. Fine. Now first rib is there. I would like to make it a T shape. If you want you can make it T shape or you can leave it like this. Okay, for T shape what you have to do, just make the same arc here and pocket it up to the half and from both sides. 1 mm you can remove and it will become in a T shape. T shape where rib would be there. This one rib is completed. Now on this face I will make spars over it. How many spars we need to make the rib stable? The spars are mostly rectangular or circular. So here I am making few circular and few rectangular. One spar I am making at the front so that it remains at. Also we can give radius to this 0.5. Okay, and another one at the back. These two I am making circular ribs. At this point vertical distance 0 and radius of this circle let it be 0.5 only. Enter. If we can place it accordingly. Now there are few of them would be rectangular, so I am making those also. One here and one here. We are not using much ribs. And close it. After closing, just pat them. These will go throughout the wing. So you can give it a quick length. How, how much length you want to of the wing. This should be given that. I have given 200 mm, though it is not enough for the real wing, but still I have given this much. So now we need to add much more spar, so ribs there. These are the spars which go all the way are called spars. Ribs are the these one. So we need some more ribs here. So for that what we will do, you can see this plane, that is exact plane, the front plane. We will make some datum planes along this, and we will make the same sketch over there again and again for the rib, to make a ribs. How to make datum plane? This is our datum plane. Before that we have to select the plane. It is exact plane. At what distance? Let it be 20. So it should be minus 20. Okay. And exact plane. Another datum plane. Minus 40. Similarly at 20 distance I am taking in different planes. First I will take all the planes. Afterwards I will start making the. Another, sorry, along exact plane. So these many ribs we are going to make. These two are close. Then I have some different distance between this, a little more distance, and then last three are more closer. These are for the equipments to be attached here for el- ailerons and other equipments for petrol, the fuel system. That's why I have given a little more space here in between these two. So let's start making ribs there. Select one plane, sketch over it, but we need to sketch just the same thing we have made here. How we have made a circle there, just zooming it in, taking its vertical distance to be 0 as we have done earlier. Now I will try to place it at the center. we can do one thing more. We can give dimensions to this one so that we can have the exact thing. 2.5 and this point is minus 20 and close. Now we can edit this sketch perfectly. This point, horizontal distance minus 20, and the radius of the circle would be 2.5. Now we just need two of the arcs. Points coincide. Just place them over it. This arc and this circle, making them tangent. Similarly, circle and arc, making them tangent. Fine. Just making these two rectangles here. And close. Sorry, this circle cut should be there. And for the timing, I am hiding this to edit this sketch. Zoom, quick trim, and trim the extra part. And close. Now you can pad it up to 2 mm and enter. Select this pen and hide it. Now again you can hide all these things and on this plane again make the same aerofoil and pad it. You can also make these with the help of only arcs. hiding this again and editing this sketch. After that I will make them visible. Make them coincide. Similarly, vertical 0. And similarly, this point should be coincide, and this one vertical should be 0. These are tangents. The close it and pad this in 2 mm. Okay, and again hide the excess print. Similarly, you have to make all the ribs. I'm just making last one for the time being. Let's do it one by one. Take 3-point arc and the center point arc. Close it. Now again select this and hide all these things. Edit this sketch. Here we what we need. These 2-point arcs should be tangent and these points should coincide. Okay, similarly this point should lie on the this and make them tangent. These points for vertical distance 0 and should be here. Make them coincide and vertical distance should be 0 and close it. Now pair this one also. 2 mm. Broken face is there. Need to check out which how far. First need to hide all these things. Then we can check it out. These 2 points. Quick trim and trim this. Now you can close and apply pad. Similarly, we have to apply pad all to all the planes. For the time being, I am applying the pad this same sketch over the last plane, hiding it. On this plane, we will sketch Then 3 point arc from here. Now we can edit this sketch. Now it is visible. These points coincide. Like this. Like this, we have to make all the left sections. I have left. You have to make all of them, and after that, we will have the skin over it. So for that, I am making the skin, selecting this plane. So it's this face of the wing. Sketch over it. Zoom a little bit. Take 3 point arc. Like this, and similarly then choose center circle. Escape. Now making all these 4 points there should be coincide. 1 2 coincide. 3 and 4 should be coincide. Now these two together we coincide. Place them here. Now move this to the other side and make them coincide. These two. This one with this one, and this one with this one like that. Now what we need to do, make them tangent. Okay, here also. Let's make them also coincide, and then we can place them here together. Now close it and pad this in the reverse direction and up to 200 like this. Though, though we don't have the dimensions, that's why it came out. I need to edit this sketch and this one also. So for this, I guess, I guess this is pad 4. Yeah, now it is fine. You can see the wing completely done. Now on this face we can make the ending. How we will do that? Just pad it and make them coincide. Due to lack of dimensions, we have this much of. This should lie over it, and then make it tangent. This point should lie over this, and it is all already tangent. Placing it here. Placing this. Now trim the extra circle. Its vertical distance 0. This point vertical distance should be 0 and horizontal minus 20, and radius we had 2.5. Now we need to increase it now. Let it be 3. Let me delete and adjust it. It should just touch the boundary. It is fine. Just remove the extra part of the circle and pad it to just 1 mm. Giving this face a fillet command of 0.1, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, and zoom to fit like this. And that part, this part would be going to attach with the body of the wing with some screws and all other things. Isometric and zoom to fit it into the screen. Though I have some limitations here of the dimensions, I didn't use any standard dimensions. That's why I face a little problem. When you are making a real one, you must having a dimension, a proper dimension, and the standard one. Then you will not face any problem of these joints. It will be very smooth. Just you have to follow the same steps which I did follow today. And or you may have some different cutouts or the spars I have made the single spar from here to here. They must be cut it out into some there must be missed out in some of the sections. They have to play we fuel tank over there, so they missed those spars there. These all are dependent upon how they want to be a wing, but the basic steps and the commands we use are the same. You have to make aerofoil, pad it, make a datum plane, make aerofoil and pad it again, like that. How much ribs are required, that much datum planes you required, and those that much the cross sections you have to make. So hope you have all understood this. We have used only the pad command here. No other command we have used here. So hope you have understand. If you have had any doubt, you can mention in the comment box. We will reply to you. So thank you for for today. That's all for today, and thank you very much. We will meet tomorrow with new component to to learn commands and to learn how to use a new component. Another component tomorrow, I guess. Whatever component would be there. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.